Hello everyone, this is a quick video showcasing what I did with my EcoFlow Delta. I purchased a kit from shopsolarkits.com, and I'll put the link in the description of the video. But basically it is a bundle where you can get an EcoFlow Delta, which is about $1,300, and you get a kit with some MCR cables and all that, and 4 100-watt panels. And what I ended up doing with it is mounting it to my van. So right now there's basically 400 watts of solar going into the EcoFlow Delta, and what I'm gonna be doing with it is actually using it for a lawn care business I started. So I have all battery powered equipment in here, and what I plan to do is, of course, use the EcoFlow Delta, which holds about 1,300 watts or so capacity, and use that to charge these electric mower batteries. One of these takes about 300 watts of power to charge, so it's a little more than an hour. And what's nice too about the EcoFlow Delta is that in between 3 and 4 hours, if you got really good sun, then these panels right here can charge your Delta 100%. So what's nice too is that if I charge one of these batteries, which takes about an hour or so, then all I need is just 1 hour of full sun to get that energy back. So it's going to be quite useful for my lawn care business, and that way I can save money on mower batteries, because these are expensive, $300 a piece. But I figured, hey, if I go with one of these, then I'm able to decrease the amount of batteries I will need, and I'm hoping to get maybe at least 3 or 4 or more batteries charged in any particular day. So I'm excited to do that. But anyway, this is what I'm doing with the Delta, and I'll show you how I have it connected.